Dear students, today we will go through the application of circulation theorem, or you can say the application of Stokes theorem to one example. You see one example. Suppose the velocity field is given by q is equal to minus I by plus jx upon x square plus y square, and we want to calculate circulation round a square with corners 1 0, 2 0, 2 1 and 1 1. This is the first part of the question. In second part we will find the circulation round a circle. So first of all we will do the first part. If I draw the object around which I have to take the circulation, then suppose this point is 1 0, let it be A, then 2 0, let it be this will be like this is 2 0, it is B, then 2 1, I should draw it again, let it be 1 0, let it be 2 0, then 2 1, let it be 2 1 and then 1 1, so it is 1 1, let it be A, B, C and D. So this is your object along which you have to take circulation. So if I want to find the circulation round this rectangle, rather it is a square, so circulation is actually along AB, along BC, along CD and along DA. It simply means that circulation from A to A, that means A, B, C, D, A, may be divided into circulation, or you can say flow, along AB, along BC, along CD and along DA. So it comprises of flows along four lines, AB, BC, CD and DA. And I have written in this way because I am calculating it in anti-clockwise direction. Now first of all, if I talk about circulation AB. Circulation AB, it will be Q dot dr. Now what is Q? Q is given by this expression. And what is dr? Dr is the line element, so it is our line AB. I know that dr is dxi plus dyj. But what is y along AB? It is 0. Along AB, y is 0. So what is dy? Dy is 0. And dr is only dxi. So in this case, when I talk about q dot dr, I have to consider only I part, that means this part. So q dot dr will be minus y dx upon x square plus y square, where what is y? Y is 0. And if I put it here, q dot dr, you see that I am getting an integration with respect to x only, because here x is variable and y is constant. So putting y also, I may get q dot dr is equal to, y is 0, so it will be 0 in this case. So I get nothing for gamma AB. Likewise, I will go for gamma BC. When you go for BC, what is along BC? What is x and y along BC? Along BC, your x is equal to 2 and y is variable. So what is dx? Dx is 0. And we may get the value of y is, because y is variable, so dy exists. So in this case, what will be dr? Dr will be j dy, because dx will be 0. And if I calculate q dot dr, I will consider only this portion. So it will be x dy upon x square plus y square. And now I can put x is equal to 2 here, and I will get 2 dy upon 4 plus y square. I'll write it on the next page. Gamma BC is equal to q dot dr along BC, and it is BC. I may write the limits of BC. Along BC, it is minus wait for a minute. Gamma BC, it is equal to, I'll put the limits later. First of all, I will write the expression x dy upon x square plus y square, where what is x? X is equal to 2 and limits of y are from 0 to 1. So it will be 0 to 1 twice dy upon 4 plus y square. I am easily calculated for the limits 0 to 1, and it will be 10 inverse 1 by 2. I am calculated. So it is 3. Now come to gamma of CD. Now I am writing it direct. In gamma CD, your y is constant and x is variable. X is variable from where? From 2 to 1. Because you are going from C to D. So it is from 2 to 1. And since x is variable on this, so dy will be 0. And we are left with y dx upon x square plus y square, where what is y? Where y is equal to fix 1. So it converts 2 to 1 dx upon 1 plus y square, which will be 10 inverse y. So it is 10 inverse 1 minus 10 inverse 2. It is 4th. Now come to gamma dA. The last one. Along gamma dA, y is variable and x is constant. So because x is constant and y is variable, y is variable. So it is dy. And x is constant. Y variable, so it will be x. I think in first one I have to take minus symbol here. So minus plus and this is minus, because in velocity it is in minus, it is with minus symbol. So x dy upon x square plus y square. Y goes from 1 to 0 and x is equal to fix 1. So it is 1 to 0 dy upon 1 plus y square. So it is tan inverse y for 1 to 0 minus tan inverse 1. Now what we do? We will calculate gamma, which is the sum of all the four. So when you add 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, if I am not wrong in numbers, then you will get the value of this gamma to be 0. In this question, I have not used the Stokes theorem, but you can very easily use the Stokes theorem, because if you calculate curl of Q in this question, you will get curl of Q to be 0. And Stokes theorem says that gamma may be written as curl of Q ds. So in this case, you may give the value of curl of Q, which is 0, and you get gamma to be 0. So this is another way to do this question. Now we come to the second part of this question, which says that what will be the circulation, that means what will be gamma around a circle. So I am writing in words that what is the question. Now B part is calculate circulation around a unit sphere Unit sphere means a sphere of radius 1 with center at origin. First of all, they are writing unit sphere, but it is in fact a circle because we are working in 2 dimension. So I know that gamma is equal to q dot dr, where dr is the line element. But in this case, since I have to calculate the circulation around a circle with center at origin, this is the circle. I take some arbitrary point on it, and then this is the horizontal component of velocity, this is the vertical component of velocity, and let this line be inclined at theta. This is the radius vector of the point P. O is the origin. Then naturally this will also be theta, and this will be pi by 2 minus theta. In this question, if I convert it into polar coordinates, it will be more convenient. So I'll convert it in polar coordinates. That means I'll put x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Secondly, what will be q? Q will have 2 components, qr and q theta. R means radial component and theta means transverse component. So since we are talking about the circulation, and in circulation q is the tangential velocity, that means I am interested in this type of flow, It simply means I am interested in this component of velocity, which is q theta. I am not interested in qr. This is the radial component of velocity. So qr is 0 in this case, or you can say I have not to consider qr. Qr will not be considered, only q theta will be considered. Now what will be q theta? This is the transverse component. This is the transverse component of velocity. This is transverse component like this. So I will resolve this u along this line, resolve this v along this line. So it will be u cos 90 plus theta plus, now I will resolve v, this is again theta, plus v cos theta. So this is minus u sin theta plus v cos, this is not 90, this is theta, theta. So I put the values of u and v. What are u and v? It is given that q is equal to minus yi plus xj upon x square plus y square. So if I put the values of x and y, I'll get minus r sin theta plus r cos theta upon r square sin square theta plus cos square theta. So after solving it, I'll get, oh, this is I and this is j. I'll get minus sin theta I plus cos theta j upon r. So what is my u? This is u. U is minus sin theta upon r and v is cos theta upon r. So I'll put it here. Minus plus हो जाएगा ये, sin theta upon r into sin theta, and v is cos theta upon r into cos theta. Solving, I'll get only 1 upon r. So now I'll put it here. Gamma is equal to q means q theta, so it is 1 upon r into dr. It is around the circle C. So for this, because it is a circle of unit radius, I'll convert it into theta. 1 upon r, this dr may be written as r d theta by the property of a circle. This r is cancelled. Now d theta, which is theta, and what is theta around C? It goes from 0 to 2 pi. So I get 2 pi. So this is circulation. This is the value of circulation, which again, by calculating curl of Q, we may calculate with the help of Stokes theorem. So this is something about the application, and after it you have to do all the related examples, solved and unsolved, from the book or the net, wherever you get. Thank you so much.